Assalamu alaikum dear students, I am Anjum Shafiq, your biology teacher for grade 11, and today I am going to discuss endoplasmic reticulum. So let's move to the whiteboard. So endoplasmic reticulum is also important organelle of the cell, a single membrane bounded organelle. So here starts, dear students, the organelles now. और dear students, इससे पहले कि मैं एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम स्टार्ट करूं, पहले कुछ डिवीजन कर लेते हैं ऑर्गेनेल्स की. So the organelles they are divided into three categories. Clear? Membraneless, membraneless organelles means कि जिसके पास कोई membrane नहीं होती. Number two, the single membrane bounded organelles, and number three are the double membrane bounded organelles. Membraneless, they are not bounded by any membrane. Clear? तो ये तीन कैटेगरीज हैं ऑर्गेनेल्स की, इसको हम अगर जनरली डिवाइड करें. सो as far as the membraneless organelle is concerned, so there is a single organelle which is membraneless, and that is ribosome. That is ribosome. Number two, the single membrane bounded organelles means कि जो which are bounded by a single membrane. It includes the endoplasmic reticulum, which we are going to discuss in this topic, in this lecture. Number two are the lysosomes. Number three are the peroxisomes. Number four are the glyoxysomes. Number five are the Golgi apparatus. And number six, vacuoles. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All these will be discussed in detail. And as far as the double membrane bounded organelles are concerned, we will discuss, inshallah, number one, the mitochondria. Number two, we will discuss the plastids, in which we will discuss chloroplast, chromoplast, and leucoplast. Clear? And number three, we will discuss the nucleus. Clear? So this is the categorization of the organelles. Clear? So here, this endoplasmic reticulum its discovery. First of all, so in 1902, there was a scientist by the name of Amelo Veretti, और इसने बेसिकली जो डिस्कवर किया था, he discovered sarcoplasmic reticulum. Sarcoplasmic reticulum, which is present in muscles. Clear? So in muscles, there are present sarcoplasmic reticulum, which is almost same, with a few exceptions, same as the endoplasmic reticulum. And after 50 years, in 1953, there was a scientist by the name of Keith Porter. He discovered the endoplasmic reticulum. Clear? So that is a little bit about its discovery. So why it is so called? Why endoplasmic reticulum, it is also abbreviated as ER, is so called, means इसको endoplasmic reticulum क्यों कहा जाता है? It's a combination of two words. Basically, we can divide it into three. Endo means inside, or plasmic is related to the cytoplasm. Okay. And endoplasmic reticulum. Reticulum means fine or little network. That is its literal meaning. So it is a network, basically a fine network inside the cytoplasm. So under electron microscope, under electron microscope, there is often seen a network of channels. These channels रस्तों को कहा जाता है, ठीक है, ways, रस्ते. These channels are often continuous up to plasma membrane and also attached to the outer nuclear membrane. So the outer nuclear membrane, inshallah, we'll discuss in the nucleus, that is continuous with the endoplasmic reticulum. So there is a term, very important short term, that is, what is cisternae? So dear students, cisternae, the material present in these channels is separated from the cytoplasmic contents by tubular or spherical membranes, which are called cisternae. Basically, these are flattened sacs, channels. ठीक है, अभी डायग्राम में मजीद इसको मैं क्लियर करूंगा. So, morphological forms or types. So, as far as most morphological forms are concerned, endoplasmic reticulum, it has two morphological forms. That is, number one, the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and it is abbreviated as RER. And number two are the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It is abbreviated as SER. Clear? Now I am going to draw its diagram, and after that I will explain. And you have to draw it, so please try to draw with me as well. So that it will become easy for you to draw in the exams. So these are the channels which I am going to draw, which I am drawing. You also need to draw it. So it is not a difficult task. You can make it. So that is the channel making of endoplasmic reticulum. And dear students, you must draw it. Without this diagram, you will be unable to get the full marks in the question. Clear? So you have to try it, and you should try like I'm trying to draw it. So this is, we have 10. So that is basically endoplasmic reticulum, and that is the boundary, the cell, that is plasma membrane. So over here there are present granules, as you can see in the diagram of our book as well. So there are the granules, the granular structures present all around over here. So dear students, so this is basically the outer nuclear membrane. Clear? And this is basically the nucleus. And the inner nuclear membrane, outer nuclear, which is continuous with the channels. And these are the channels. You remember जब को uncolored spaces नजर आ रहे हैं, these are the channels, and these channels are called as cisternae. Cisterna is for singular, and as there are more than one, so these are called the channels, and these are interconnected channels. ये अंदर से connected होते हैं. और dear students, इनकी आउटर सरफेस पे ये मेम्ब्रेन बाउंडेड है, ठीक है, मेम्ब्रेन बाउंडेड ये चैनल्स होते हैं. इनके गिर्द ये स्फेरिकल है, ये ट्यूबुलर हैं, तो ये मेम्ब्रेन से कहलाती हैं सिस्टर्ने. ये सारे फ्लैट एंड सैक्स की तरह के. क्लियर? ये गोल्जी ऑपरेटर्स के अंदर भी मौजूद होते हैं, उसमें भी डिस्कस करेंगे, ठीक है. और यहाँ पर आपको जो रेड स्पॉट्स नज़र आ रहे हैं, ये पिंक कलर के स्पॉट्स, दीज आर बेसिकली द राइबोसोम्स. So that is why this region is called as rough endoplasmic reticulum, and this tubular, like this portion is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Clear? Now, the rough endoplasmic reticulum, or it is called as RER. So dear students, it is called rough endoplasmic reticulum because it has attached ribosomes which give it rough appearance. ठीक है, इसको ऐसे rough appearance आ रही है किस वजह से? Because of the presence of ribosomes and its function is चूंकि ribosomes हैं, so its function is protein synthesis. Clear? Protein synthesis. Major. And the second morphological form is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So as far as smooth endoplasmic reticulum is concerned, it is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum because its smooth surface and lacks ribosomes. Clear? And it lacks ribosomes. Now its functions. तो ये वाला हिस्सा जो ऐसे ट्यूब्स की तरह का नजर आ रहा है, ये बिल्कुल स्मूथ है, मतलब इसके ऊपर कोई रफ अपीयरेंस नहीं आ रही बिकॉज कि यहाँ पर राइबोसोम्स अटैच नहीं है, जबकि ये वाला सारा हिस्सा ये इसके ऊपर राइबोसोम्स अटैच्ड हैं, ये ग्रेनुलर स्ट्रक्चर होता है जिसकी वजह से रफ अपीयरेंस आ रही होती है. ठीक है, तो इसके कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शंस हैं. नंबर 1, इट इज़ इन्वॉल्व्ड इन द मेटाबॉलिज्म of substances especially lipids का मेटाबॉलिज्म, और ख़ास तौर पर यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा होता है, इट इज़ द फॉर एग्जाम्पल बायोसिंथेसिस ऑफ कोलेस्ट्रॉल etc. So this is what happens done by this smooth endoplasmic reticulum, यानी कि लिपिड्स का मेटाबॉलिज्म यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, that is anabolism. Number 2, it is also involved in the transmission of nerve impulse for example in muscle cells. Clear? Inshallah in chapter number 17 and 16 उसमें आप इसकी इनकी डिटेल्स पढ़ेंगे in the second year. इस तरह से एक और important function, it is also involved in detoxification of harmful drugs. मीन्स कि जो भी हम ड्रग्स खाते हैं, चाहे वो मेडिसिनल हैं, चाहे वो एडिक्टिव ड्रग्स हैं, तो उनके जो हार्मफुल जो केमिकल्स होते हैं उनको डिटॉक्सिफाई किया जाता है, उनके टॉक्सिक इफेक्ट्स को ज़ायल किया जाता है उनको. क्लियर? सो ये भी स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम का फंक्शन. एंड नंबर 4, इट इज़ इन्वॉल्व इन द ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑफ मटेरियल्स across the cell. मीन्स कि जो चीज़ें सेल के अंदर चाहिए उनको सेल के अंदर ट्रांसपोर्ट किया जाएगा, जो चीज़ें सेल के बाहर चाहिए वो सेल के बाहर ट्रांसपोर्ट करती जाएंगी. और जहाँ तक इनकी शेप है वो सेल टू सेल वेरी करती है. कुछ सेल्स में मतलब कि ये यहाँ तक भी एक्सटेंड कर जाते हैं प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन तक, कुछ सेल्स में इससे पीछे भी होते हैं. मीन्स के सो एज पर द नीड्स ऑफ द सेल इसको मॉडिफाई कर लेते हैं इसकी शेप को. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, होपफुली आज का लेक्चर भी आपको क्लैरिफाई हो गया होगा. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में और डिस्कस करेंगे राइबोसोम्स को. तब तक अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.